Hi guys, my name is Vamsi, and in this video I'd like to talk about the topic called character data types. Well, till now I didn't talk about this because these are needed till now, but from now I think definitely they are needed, so I'm covering the topic here. We'll normally initialize them just like how initializing integers, but this is quite different from integer initializing, because when you do this operation here, character abc, what it will do is it will declare three uninitialized char variables here. Now after initializing here, what will actually happen is, suppose say if you initialize int a b c, then what it will do is it will make the variables a b c as integer data types for holding some value. Now here also it will be same, but what we'll do is these are all character variables. Actually you can make them as a character, but they'll actually be represented by some value too. What is that value is, every character is given some value that is called kind of ASCII code. ASCII American Standard something, information exchange computing something is there, but this ASCII code is what is like nothing but it like numbers either from 0 to 255 or minus 127 to 128, doesn't matter. And from 0 to 128 it will consist of all keyboard letters, symbols, numbers, and from 128 onwards it will consist of all foreign symbols, graphics, some kind of stuff. I'll show you guys in this video how to print the ASCII value of particular character. And now this line is doing, what it's doing is it's just declaring the character variable named code here, and we are making it, initializing it to the character x. Whenever you are initializing, you have to use single quotes. Got it? If you don't use single quotes, it thinks of it as another variable. You have to use single quotes so that it will think it's just a character that we wanna assign. If you wanna use a string, then also you have to do something like this. You have to use them in a single quote. I'll be talking about strings in the next video. Now here we are just similarly storing this in this code. Okay, here also you use single quotes to tell that it's just a or character. Here you use hash define. I covered the hash define in the last chapter. What it will do is it's just instead of x with, I mean like kind of, we're making ex as a, what, it's a symbolic constant to say we can use it anywhere in the program instead of using x. So the character code is ex, directly we equated instead of writing this. It's kind of what easy to understand here. Well, this is what it's doing is it's creating a constant character, that is it can be changed in the program, it's always constant. Now I forgot to tell. Now after defining this hash define ex as x, you can again undefine those, but I'll be talking you guys about that in the later topics. And now let's try to print the ASCII characters of the particular variables. Okay, all you guys have to do is printf alright, since I declared the character variable as a, I have to print the value of that a, right? The char variable is person c, and its ASCII code is person d. Got it? In both the places, all you guys have to do is write the variable name. That's all you guys have to do. Now let's see what will happen here. Oh, something went wrong. Wait a second, wait a second. I have to give it something, right? Let's say I will give D here. I'm storing something, some character in the day. Now it will give the value of the D. Okay. Now the character variable is D and its ASCII code is 100. I told you guys that from 0 to 128 it usually have all the keyboard symbols, numbers and variables. After 128 onwards some foreign graphics and something else. And now the D is 100. I believe that C is 99. So let's try to print the value of C. See, C is 99 here. So B is 98, A is 97. Let's look for A ones. A is 97. Okay, I hope you guys got it. This is how you can find the ASCII value of a particular character type. And in the next video I think I'll be, well, suppose, wait a second. If you want to show all the ASCII values of all the characters from 0 to 255 that are present, all you guys have to do is make a loop and then just print them like 256 times from 0 to 255. But don't forget to declare some unsigned char, like say A, and then all you guys have to do is in the for loop make it as like it'll run for around 256 times, and then you guys just have to do is print like the previous, but so that the value will be varying here, or then you can get all the 256 ASCII codes and the symbols that we used. That's it for today's tutorial, guys.